A wee selection of Scottish place names. The Blue Toon, Peterhead. Now, the natives of Peterhead are Peterheaders and Blue Mogners. Oh, and never forget about the Queenie Arabs. Now, next we've got the Broch. And the Broch's natives are the Brochers or the Puddle Stinkers. And here we've got Belgar, and the natives are the Belgars. And this place is Pitsliga, and the natives of Pitsliga are the Kjachers, or some folks say the Kjakers. Now here we've got Crichy, and a top native in Crichy is a Popa Crichy. So mind and look out for a Popa Crichy if you're visiting that place. Now this is a picture Gameray, and the natives of Gameray are Gamericks. Now this is a picture my home village of Boddam, and the natives of Boddam are the Boddamers, and it was our ancestors that hang at the monkey. And there's a song about it, the Boddamers hang at the monkey. Now this next picture is a picture of Fishy. Our next one is FISHnTHINGS. FISHnTHINGS. Finny Fall. Bullers. Bullers. Long Haven, and this is a picture of Long Haven Squeal. And next we've got Resorty. And this is Creeman, and Creeman is for the deal with a stock car racing. And this is a picture of a kerk in Maud. Here's a wee picture of Rob Roy's statue, and this is situated in Peter Cooter. Peter Cooter. This here is a picture of Turra, and if you're ever in Turra, heel ook uit vir 'n Doric. This is a picture of a muckle feit horse, and it's situated on a side a Mormon Hall. Mormon Hall. And last but not least is a picture of Arbroath, the capital of Scotland. Arbroath.